Hi friends, good morning. Today I am discussing about furnace panel block diagram. Okay, where the power is coming and how to go the power in panel. This is the ask topic. We are discussing step by step. Okay, first of all, power is coming from a VCB breaker. VCB. Power is coming from power plant or EB power, any of the source incoming, that is 33 kV or 11 kV. Okay, once it is coming the power from VCB once closed, that power is going to transformer. Transformer, we have to go from transformer. First of all, it is going to primary connection. Primary connection is delta connected. Okay, the delta connected, it passes through transformer. It induces the voltages, secondary voltages. That is secondary 1 or 2, depends upon you have to use the power in furnace panel. Converter 1 or converter 2, converter 3, converter 4, that type of transformer used, you have to develop the output voltage. That voltage is going to converter. Okay, that is transformer. You have to go star or delta connected. That is going to two converters. Converter ka function, what is the converter function? Converter function is convert AC to DC. Once it is convert AC to DC, that is going to the DC choke. The DC power is going to DC choke. DC choke, what is the function of DC choke? DC choke, the function is, you have to go once DC choke, it filters the output. Whatever the output in output DC choke, it filters the like high voltages, harmonics. That is, it filtered the DC choke. That's output, smooth output of DC voltages. It is giving to the inverter. Inverter function. What is the inverter function? Inverter function is, it convert DC to AC. Okay. Once it is convert DC to AC, finally output of inverter is AC. That AC current, AC voltage is going to capacitor rack. Capacitor racks, these are used for capacitor racks for power factor improvement and high voltages for storing voltage, and this stabilize the furnace voltages. Okay, once it is going to the through capacitor rack, it is going to output of furnace coil, just like changeover switch 1 and changeover switch 2. That is furnace 1 and it is furnace 2. This AC voltage going to change through changeover switch furnace 1 and furnace 2. Okay, it is the simplified diagram. You have to discuss each and everything in step by step. Okay, this is the overall diagram. I hope that you are understand whatever I explained. It is DC to AC. Okay, this is the block diagram. Whatever the electricians think how to, what is final output, I am giving input power AC, but furnace also going to input power taken AC power. How? But it is the real, we have to go input power, that is going to the furnace panel. Finally you have to go output power only AC. Why? These are sections used for different causes. Okay, furnace, the why it is coming AC power only used for furnace, that is discussed next class. Today's class is, it is the this is today class it is, but you have to understand what are the blocks, how to these are giving to input or output. Okay, next class we are discussing each and every one, each and everything in details. Okay, you have to take screenshot. I will give one minute time. After 1 minute time I will close this class. Okay, take the screenshot. Okay, screenshot carry. Okay, now you have to easily take the screenshot. Okay, screenshot time completed. Next class we are discussing each and everything step by step. Okay, thank you, bye.